Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about how 15 push-ups every day can completely transform your body. But let me tell you, it's so much more than just a physical transformation. It's about building strength, endurance, and confidence. So let's dive right in and learn the 5 most effective push-up variations that will help you get in shape and stay in shape. First up is the classic push-up. It's a must-have exercise that helps improve your upper body strength and endurance. Then we have the wide push-up, which targets your triceps and chest muscles even more. Next is the triceps push-up, perfect for targeting your triceps from a slightly different angle. The fourth variation is the clap push-up. It's a bit more advanced, but adds an extra challenge by requiring some of your own explosive power with each rep. And finally, we have the one-arm push-up. It's a great way to progress if you can't quite do full reps yet. Or if you want to really challenge yourself by forcing one side of your body to do all the work. So there you have it, folks. Adding just 15 of these powerful push-ups to your daily routine can make a huge difference in your overall fitness level and confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and see the amazing results for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more workout tips and routines that will take your fitness journey to the next level. Have a fantastic day, everyone.